Up to now, what we had seen what are the difference between the different means Angular based application and without Angular based application. Then we had seen regarding the how means installation process of the Angular, how we will run the project, those all things. Next, we had seen the folder structure. Today we going to look over how the Angular is working internally, means how we are starting the application. What is the command? How to start the application?
npm start.
ng sir.
ng serve or npm start? Anything?
Sir,
One
npm
more,
start.
yeah, both command was working. One more topic was pending. Actually, I forgot. Package.json, package.lock.json.
Firstly, we will sir open Angular project. Yeah, right, sir.
What?
In the terminal, first we are open Angular project.
Yeah. That means after that we are telling,
Yeah.
because everybody know that first we have to open the project, then integrated terminal, those things. One more topic was pending actually that I forgot. 1 second. Yeah. So that was package.json and package.lock.json. So see, just look over the folder structure. So where is package.json and package lock.json? So package.json is this one and package lock.json is this one. But there are major difference in both the package, means both the file. Package.json, it will contain all the version of the means about the dependencies. What are the dependency installed in your application? It will contain all the information. Like suppose here you can see that we don't know much more, but we can understand regarding the TypeScript. So here you can see the TypeScript. What is the version of TypeScript? That is 4.0.2, correct? So means this version of TypeScript is installed in which location? Because this package.json, it containing just information, it not containing the file, but where the file is installed? Any idea? This all means whatever inside the package.json, this all everything, this get installed somewhere. But this package.json will contain the information regarding which version of what dependency is installed in your local system. This is for the local system. See here, you will get two things. There is one array that is for name, version, then the scripts are there. Okay, close this script. A script, then dependencies, then dev dependencies. Total three arrays, three objects are there. One is dependencies, one is dev dependencies. What is difference in both case? Dependencies, it will be check in your local system. Okay, it will check in the local system. That dependency should be available. This should be installed in your local system. But what about the dev dependencies? Anyone can guess what should be this one? Anyone guessing? Anything, whether correct, wrong, that's not the issue. No idea. Okay. So dev dependency means for that development purpose. Means when you deploying your website, means when you will deploy your application somewhere, so that time it will check the dev dependencies. Means suppose you going to make your website live, hosting, okay, somewhere you on Netlify, you going to host your website. So that time it will get from here itself, because when we are running our application locally, that time from that dependency section, it will take these all details and it will install node modules in our local system with the help of these dependencies. That zone.js, what is the version? 0.1, 0.2. Then tslib, what is the version? 2.0.0. Means these all dependency it will install when you running the command npm install. It will install all the file with the help of this package.json. Okay, but when you running means when you uploading your website for the making available on the Google, means you going to host your website. So that time this dependencies will not helpful, because this is for the local purpose. Okay, that time this dev dependency will helpful. Means this dev dependency will contain all the information. They also containing the same whatever available in the dependency section, same thing will available in the dev dependency also. But this will be helpful only in the deployment time. You not have to worry that what is the thing written and from where it coming. If we will delete this, that, it's not the issue. You not have to worry regarding this one, anything. But with the help of this node modules will get installed automatic. So up to this clear, what is the difference between dependencies and what is the difference between dev dependencies and what is the need, why
Yes,
we are using this? Clear? Okay. One question. As I told, with the help of dev dependency, it will install the packages. You can think regarding that packages. Okay, that some package are there that will help you in running the project. As like Bootstrap, you have to add the link of the Bootstrap in HTML. Then only you can access the class of Bootstrap. Same type, you have to install something in your project. Then only you can work on the Angular project or whether third party Java, Python, .NET, whatever. So we are importing. So for right now, we had not looked over any project, means in the component section anywhere, but we can understand here. So with the help of dependencies, it going to install all the libraries or packages in the somewhere. We don't know where that will install. With the help of dev dependency, it will install somewhere. But dev dependency, it will helpful where it will install. It will install while hosting time. Means some like Netlify, we are hosting on a Netlify. So on the server you can tell that on the server with the help of dev dependency, it will install the packages, whatever files are required file, what versions they require, like Bootstrap 4, Bootstrap 3. If we want Bootstrap 4, so Bootstrap 4 it will install. Like that they will do automatic. We not have to do anything.
sir.
But
When we deploy the website, inside the website, it works, sir.
yeah, yeah,
That time it's
no,
install all the packages, whatever it needs.
yeah, yeah, correct. When you will deploy the website with the help of package.json, it will install all the packages. Got it? We're not going to install
Yes,
anything. They will automatic deploy that. Means they will automatic install that for the server side. But in local, we are installing and we had done that process. Okay. How we had done? We had created the application. So that time, what happened? Node modules got created. Correct. So in the node modules, this all the files got installed in our local system. That's why we are not passing or we are not sharing the node modules to anyone, because with the help of this package.json dependency section, this file node modules will get automatic installed. Means you can create the same package, same library of same version with the help of package.json. But how we will install that? What is the command for installing? Any idea? Means if you have not the node modules and you have to run the project, you will got error because node modules is not there. So when you will hit the command npm start or ngserve, it will not work. So node modules should be there. So how you will get node modules? Second thing, we will get node modules. But what are the files required for the installation inside the node modules? How we will know that which version of file is required and what all files are required? That is the main thing. What all files, like suppose bootstrap file, different files, suppose that, just imagine. So what all files are required? How we will know or how we will tell that to the system? Any idea? Anyone? See, use mind, at least give something, then only you will understand. Otherwise these all are too much confusing. Yeah, any idea how it will be? No one. When we installing the program, if you have no node modules is not available. Okay, not available. Means suppose you want somebody project, something they had done and you want their project. What you will do? You will ask them to give the project. But what the other person will do? In the case of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, they will share the complete file. Is this correct or not? They will share you
Yes, sir.
HTML, CSS, JavaScript file completely. But in the case of Angular or React or suppose that Java, in those cases, nobody is sharing like that. What they are doing? They will share you just source file, because dependencies, whatever dependencies are there, you can install that. So I will open that project folder actually. Just 1 second. Okay, so here you can see that this much files are there. So while sharing the project, what you can do? Don't share this in node modules. Okay, remaining all you can zip. Okay, zip that file, add to archive. Now, if anybody want the project, just share this file, Angular project. That's it. Okay, and once you will share the project, they can access. He or she can access the code, whatever you had written in your project. Second thing, but when they will run the project, they will got error. Why they will got error? I showing you.
Because node module is not there, no, sir.
Yeah, correct. So because the node modules is not there, I will keep here. So this is the project. Okay, here node modules is not there. If I will run the project here, see, I running in CMD, just normal CMD. I not going to open in the terminal. npm start. Okay, it will give you error.
Yes.
It has started ng serve, but after this it will throw error. Just hold on. See, it given error because can't find the
NPM is not
module.
available.
Yeah, can't find module means npm node modules is not available there. So that's why you got the error. Fine. Next, if you got error, then how you will work? Means suppose you shared this project to someone, they got the project, they extracted the file also, but node modules is not there. Then how they will run the project? How they will make the setup?
Firstly, they are going
So
to install npm.
Okay, so see what we will do. Node modules is not there, so first step you have to follow. Node modules is not available. Okay, so first step you have to hit the command npm install. Okay,
sure.
you have to hit the command
Sir, no, I'm
npm
NPM.
install. Correct. This command, or suppose that you was using previously, suppose here zone.js, previously this was 0.1 0.2, or otherwise rxjx is there. Now it is written 6.6.0. Suppose that after 1 month this is 7 version came, 7.6.0. What you will do? You want the latest version. How you will got the latest one? So you have to hit here npm update. Means out of these two command, npm install or npm update, you can hit any one command if node modules is not there. So when you will run the command, yeah, anyone is speaking?
no, sir. You carry on.
Okay, so as you will hit the command npm install or npm update, you will get the node modules folder there. Okay, I will not hit because it will take time. That's why you can try. You can delete the file node modules and you can means do that, but it will require the good internet connectivity. It want. So if you have good internet connectivity, you can try now. If you not, next day means tomorrow, whenever you will think that internet is good, you can try, because it will install all the packages. Otherwise, you will not get that package. Okay, so as you will install this one, node modules folder will generate. Fine. Up to this, anyone having any issue? Okay. So when we doing npm install, node modules folder will get generated. Inside, now look over, make one journey inside the node modules folder. So inside the node modules folder, there are a lot number of files. Yesterday we had checked. I think it was like 800 file, something like that. Now my dot is that 800 file or whatever file is there, how they will predict, how they will got that with this file you have to install. Suppose that here you getting that, what is written here, see, rxjx. Okay. Oh, sorry, I make it. Okay, rxjx. Now go to their dev kit rxjx rxjx is there. I don't know, maybe MNOPQR LMN open PQ. Yeah, rxjx is there. Okay, so inside the rxjx folder means they installing the rxjx, that is 6.0.6. So how they predicting that I have to install the rxjx, then I have to install tslib or whatever you are getting this folder here, safe regex, something is there, then roll app. How they predicting these all things? Who telling that to install this folder? Or even see here, SAS is there. So who telling that you have to install this folder? Because we had run just only one command, npm install or npm update. But how they creating that folder? My question is that. Who is just speaking? Vivekanand, when was the class?
9 p.m.
When you join?
9:30.
9:30. Why? सही है. You are on the correct track. I will not tell a single line. Okay. विवेकानंद, बहुत बड़ा गलती कर रहे हो. ये HTML नहीं है, पहले बता दे रहा हूं. या तो पूरा पार, नहीं तो पूरा खत्म. आर नहीं तो पार कहानी. Okay. So when we doing npm install or npm update, we seen that some folder will get generated. But our dot is that who will tell to install those folder. So this package.json will tell to install those folder. Okay. This package.json, inside the package.json, we already told there is a dependency section, and this dependency section will tell that to install the folder, whatever versions file they want, what are the folder they want. This with the help of dependency section itself, they will installed in our local system, for the local system. But when you deploying that website on the server, that time this dependency will not help. This dev dependency will help there on the server, because on server when you're launching your website on some hosting, इसका mic खराब है. Okay, so when we making live of our website, we are going to host the website. That time our dependency will not help anymore. That time your dev dependency section will help, and this section will install all the packages. As here we are getting inside node modules, there also it will installed, but we don't know where it will install. But with the help of package.json, they will install all the files inside node modules. Got it? So this dev dependency is for the local
Sir,
purpose. Yeah.
sir,
Yeah, tell.
अगर कोई फाइल दे रहा है अपना इसका प्रोजेक्ट का, अगर वहाँ ये पैकेज डॉट जेसन ना हो तो फिर नोड मॉड्यूल को कैसे पता चलेगा कि क्या इंस्टॉल
Yeah,
करना है?
so that become the problem. So that become the problem. So you have to share the package.json file anyhow, because
It is mandatory,
package
sir.
dot, yeah, that is mandatory. You can't share node modules. It's not an issue. You can't share a style.css. That will also not give issue. But the file got missed. You will get error. But except package.json dist folder. See that 1 second. Except this folder, because dist will get generated when you running the build. Yesterday we had seen, you can delete this file. Then E2E, if you want, you can delete this also. Means if you not want, no issue. But this much file, it is compulsory to share, because only package.json will be playing the main role. Got it? So package.json, if you not passing, if you not sharing, your project will not work. Got it? Because dependency package.json
Yes.
itself keeping all the information regarding the dependency packages. Okay? Got it? Clear? Or anyone having any doubt still? Okay. So package.json, this one. Then what is the package.log, package-lock.json? Any idea? Can anyone tell anything? So see, with the help of package.json, what was happening actually? With the help of package.json, what was happening? Just now we had seen.
Dependency, sir.
Yeah,
So
it
so voltage.
installing dependency in node modules. That is one line statement. Okay. It installing all dependency in node modules. That's it. Wait. So when we doing run npm node modules, this one, then be getting what? Okay. So when we running the node modules, package package.json dependencies. I don't know whether the spelling is correct or not. Okay, so what we'll do here? Oh, ये उल्टा ही आ गया. So see what happened. So with the help of node modules, it taking the reference of the package.json and it will install all the dependencies. Clear? It will install all the dependencies. npm install, we run the command, it going to the package.json, it taking all the versions and then it installing all the dependencies. And where it installing? In which folder? In which folder? Any idea? In node modules folder. Got it? It will install all the things inside the node modules folder. This work will done by which one? Means with the help of which file? Package.json. Means this complete story, what is going here? This is for the package.json. Now the case came for package lock.json. So when we installing means when we running the command npm install or npm update, okay, with the help of package.json, it install all the dependency in the node modules folder. That's fine. So what we'll do in the case of package lock.json? So see, yeah. So whatever files got available or got installed in the node modules folder, means those got installed in the node modules folder. So their location, their information, complete information, it will be available in the package.json. Means once it installation got process completed, I will write here. Once installation process got hello hello who is speaking? Any doubt? Anything?
Sir,
Any doubt?
I'm telling package dot log dot JSON detail of package.
I can't. Your voice is breaking. Is it for me that voice breaking or others also? Same thing.
Same thing, sir.
Same.
No, sir.
Oh.
Voice is breaking up.
Okay. Okay. So see what happened once installation process got completed. Where? In node modules. Okay. With the help of which file? With the help of package.json. Okay. After that, it will update complete information inside package dash lock.json. This is the sentence. Clear? Once you done the installation, once you done the npm install with the help of package.json, it will install in the node modules. Clear? As you installing in the node modules, you will your package lock.json will get all the detail, which file, what is the location, the complete information. It will be available in the package lock.json. Means package lock.json, what it will do, as you will install in the local system, this is for the local purpose. Okay, as you will install in the local system, it will lock. Means suppose that okay, as you install this angular animation, what is the version? 11.0.5. He have only here only the version detail, not any extra details are available, where the files is available, this that. But as this installation will complete in the node modules, same time it will available in the package lock. Maybe check, maybe you will got somewhere. So see this, it's available at the rate angular, and see what information they keeping, what is the version, then what is resolved, from where they keep taking registry and pmj something are there, then integrity, then require, means complete information they will take. Okay, so if that is available in the package lock.json, and if suppose that when you will share this file, means the complete project, no need to share package lock.json. Why? Can anyone tell? But it is compulsory to share package JSON file.
Because content details link
Yeah, you
content detail. So when we
whatever.
run npg command, that time it's update.
Yeah,
Dot, dot.
yeah, you are correct. Whatever you're telling, that's correct. What about others? If we are not sharing package lock JSON file, only we are sharing package.json file. Why? Package.json file is compulsory to share, but package lock JSON file is not compulsory. Not even compulsory, not even we will share. Why? Then how it will get generate?
Because sir,
See, yeah,
updation there is a log JSON is a updation are there.
okay.
It is
So how that?
already recommended the package dot JSON. That's why not.
No. Package.json you sharing to someone. Fine. Means complete project with the package.json you sharing. But package lock we are not sharing. Wait. Where is package lock? This one. Delete this file. Now this much files are available. Here package.json file is there, but package lock is not there. Once I will share, how that file will get generated? See, learn the Angular like a story. Then you will think that it's very simple. Otherwise, You will think that it's very complicated, but it's very simple. That is the thing. What step we are following for getting node modules? Why nobody is speaking? Whether you getting the point or not?
npm installs.
npm install. Okay, 1 second. What about others? Nobody is speaking. Means others are getting or not? What is the issue actually? Shivani, Lalan, Vivekanand, Roshan.
Yeah, getting sir.
इतना देर रिस्पांस मिलने में लगा तो सर्वर का रिक्वेस्ट गया। लग रहा है मुझे रिमूव कर देना होगा ग्रुप से ये लोग को। विवेकानंद अभी भी सो गए क्या?
नहीं सर।
समझ में आ रहा है? भाई गलत बोलोगे तभी तो हमें पता चलेगा कि हाँ तुम्हें गलत ही सही, तभी तो हम सही कर पाएंगे कि हाँ वहां तक आया। एंगुलर है बहुत इजी, ठीक है, रियलिटी बताता हूं, बट जब आप समझ जाइएगा तभी इजी है। जैसे आपको HTML अगर नहीं आ रहा था तो वो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड था, जब आपको आ गया तो वो इजी रहा। सेम चीज है। शिवानी, are you getting?
Yeah.
Then why nobody is speaking? Already see, already I discussed regarding the package.json. Okay, my question is that how we will get package lock.json file? That is my question actually. If I sharing only means sharing the project without package lock.json file, then how we will get that? Tell me. Dharmender had already told the answer. Already complete picture is there.
Sir, when we will send the package.json, that time only we have to get the package log.json.
Okay, but how we will get? Be sending the file. See, I showing you the folder. I sharing the file, this one. Fine. Here package.json is available. See why I taking too much time over this. I telling reality one thing. Because in interview, if you attending 10 interview, out of 10, 9 interviewer will ask this question. What is difference between package.json and package lock.json? And how they will get that it will get generate. That's why I am spending more time. Otherwise, I can skip. Okay. So be clear. Okay. So be sharing the file only package.json. Fine. But how the package lock will get generate? Okay, let's spend some more time. I going to install the node modules. See now. How to install node modules? Tell fast.
npm install, sir.
npm install. Do npm install. And as I will start the npm installing, from where the package detail it will get detail from the package.json file. Correct? And my installation is started. After few seconds, you will get the node modules folder here. Once the installation will complete, then only. And as your installation will complete, node modules will generate. You will get package lock.json file. Because with the help of, now see, some installation is going on. Correct? Some installation is going on. How the installation is going on? What all files they required? How they are detecting? Which file helping that?
Package.json.
Correct. So package.json is helping in finding all the required packages. Correct. So with the help of package.json, it will install the which folder?
Node module.
Node modules. That will be node module. Okay. So node modules we will get. That's clear. Next thing, package lock.json. So once whatever packages will be available in the node modules, that will get locked inside package lock.json. Clear? Means package lock.json file will tell that these all packages are available in your local system. package lock.json file will tell you that these all packages, these all dependencies will available in your system. See that now we got the node modules file, that folder. So this type we can install the node modules. It will take time. Let it to be. Let it to be in the backside. Okay. So this was the point. Okay. So one thing. So that I forget. 1 second. Package.json. Okay, let's look here. Then I will get that point maybe. So package.json, the file is mandatory for every npm project. It contains basic information regarding the project like name, description, license, etc. Command which can be used. It contain all command. Means inside the package.json, it containing all the commands. You can see that in the script. Open this script. See ng, I start ng serve, build ng build, ng test, ng lint. These all command we had discussed. What are the requirement of that? So inside the dependency, it containing all file reference which is necessary for the project. Okay, so it may or may not installed in your system. Okay, yeah, got this point. Package.json. Okay, and there is package lock.json. Suppose that here be written, suppose bootstrap 4. Fine. And if be written that bootstrap 4 here inside the package package.json, what you getting from this means bootstrap 4 is available in your system or not. The sentence is it true or false? Means bootstrap 4. 1 second. Just complete my just let me complete my question. So inside the package.json, we had written bootstrap 4 as like here. We have something like zone.js. So here we writing that bootstrap 4. Let me write here itself. bootstrap bootstrap and 4.0.2 like this we had written. So what are you thinking? This bootstrap 4 is here, but it is not available in the node modules. Okay, clear this. This is not available in the node modules. So what are you thinking? That bootstrap 4 is available in your system or not with the help of this package.json. What is the sentence? That is true or false? Bootstrap 4 is okay. Let me write here. Bootstrap 4 is available in node modules or not? Tell me whether correct or false.
Yes, sir. I think.
Sir, level, sir.
It's
No
true.
available. False.
Not,
It will available.
not
Sir,
available.
when we run npm
No, see,
npm install,
don't
so that
1
time
second.
it's generated automatically.
Dharmender, 1 second. Don't go on npm install. In your file package.json and package lock.json, something is written like bootstrap 4.0.2. It is written in the package.json, but in package
Available.
lock.json, it's not written. What means this? Available.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about others? Who telling
No,
available
sir,
and
it's
who
not
telling
available,
not
sir.
available? Not available. Okay.
Not available.
Okay. So how you
Not
decided
available.
that this is? How do you decided that this is not available in your system?
So because
Who-
when we install in in package.json when one
Dharmender, do
but
one thing.
package.log.
Dharmender, your voice is breaking. Write in the message box. What others? Type in chat. You. How you predicting that this is not available in your system? In the means system means node modules. How you predicting? Tell me, anyone.
So it's available.
Available,
So
okay.
yesterday you told
It will be available.
What I told, ignore. That's not I telling. Means here two files are available. One is package.json, one is package lock.json. With the help of this one, you have to tell. How to predict that? Yeah. What are you thinking? Okay. Everybody told available or not available. That's fine. It is not available. That is correct. But how we will decide that it is not available? Because if this will be available in our local system, who will kept that information? Which file?
package.json.
This file will get information. Package lock.json. Once you do, installing the process, means once you installing the packages, so installation process will be moved with the help of package.json file. Correct or not? With the help of package.json, we can install the dependencies. Once that will be available in your local system, that will get locked in package lock.json. And then only we can tell that this is available in our system. Means if something is written, some dependencies is written in the package.json, you can't tell 100% this is available in your local or not. Got it? Something. If this is available in package.json, we can't tell 100% that it is present in my local. Got it? We can't tell, but if this will be same thing, it will be available in here package lock.json. Now tell me. strap bootstrap and colon 4. Now tell whether it is available in your local or not.
Yes, sir, it's available.
Now we can tell 100% that it is available in our local system or not. Now we can tell 100% that this is available in my local system, because only if the files will be available in your node modules, then only it will be available in the package lock.json. Clear? Once if it is available in your node modules, means in your local system, then only it will be available in the package lock.json file. Otherwise, here package.json, it can't tell whether it is available or not. But same thing, it will be available in package lock, means it is 100% that it is available in your local system. Clear? Or anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? Okay, let's go through the material. So inside the dependency, it containing all the file references. It is necessary for the project. It may or may not install on your system inside the node module. See the line, this one, the same line we discussed that. It may or may not installed in your node modules if this is available in package.json. For installing this reference package, we have to run the command npm install or npm update. Clear? So this is the command. Fine. Next, now package.lock.json. So it will contain the reference of all the installed package inside where node modules or local system. This is the main point. Inside the node modules or local system. Note, when we run npm install with the reference of package.json, it will install all the required packages in local system, and it will update in package lock.json. Each line is important. So what is conclusion? Package.json will contain a reference of required packages, but package lock.json will contain the reference of installed packages in the local system. Is this clear, or anyone having a still doubt? Package lock will contain the reference of installed package of you in your system. Means those files or those packages is already available in your system, but package.json that containing that these are the important for your project, may or may not that is available in your system. Okay. Next, how to share the project to anyone like that is written. See, these all lines, whatever you getting here, you will not get in any proper website. Okay. So don't think that you will search in Google and you will get somewhere properly this type itself. No, we had collected and then we had handwritten everything done manually. So next, how to share project to anyone. We will share all file except node modules and package lock.json. After that, we will run the command npm install in the project folder. Due to npm command, it will download all the package inside node modules and create and update package lock.json file. Got it? Whatever we had discussed, everything is written here. So this is the architecture of the Angular. What are the dependencies and what are the means important, or you can tell base regarding the project. So there are 8 dependencies, means 8 main key player who is playing the main role in the Angular project. That is this all. But maybe you will not get idea this thing, no issue. But we will discuss this thing later also. You will get the topic itself. But up to here, package.json and package lock. Is it clear? Up to folder structure, had you got the idea or not? If you have to write a style globally. Which file you will use? You will use a style.css that is available outside in the folder. A styles.css. If you will write anything, you will get here. Is it clear what we had discussed? Anyone having any issue in package.json and package lock.json? Tell me. Any issue? Please just speak.
No, sir.
I giving you the freedom of speak, but nobody is speaking. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. If you have any doubt, just go through the material. Everything is written in the simple language. It's not maybe some spelling mistake, maybe. So, but it is written in the simple language. See, just now what we were doing, we were creating the node modules, correct? And as your node modules got generated, you got the package lock.json file. Open this file. See, this got installed, means as it installed in your local system, it generated this file. Same thing we was doing in this folder itself. Okay, because node modules was not there. Node modules came and then package lock also came with the help of the package.json file. Clear? I will not keep this node modules. Otherwise, it's keeping too much. It's taking too much space, like approx 200 MB. Okay. So next. So this completed. Anyone having any issue up to now, whatever we had discussed? Okay, so next, how the Angular application is working internally. When we are starting npm start or ng survey, then how it start flowing and which page is loading first, and how they predicting that this page have to load. These all things we will discuss. If you understand this flow, means complete Angular become 0, means you become completely clear. Okay, now any terminal is open. I don't know whether project is running or not. Open integrated terminal. Okay, let me check inside the folder. Okay, let me meanwhile. Okay, so when we running the command npm start, npm start or ng serve, as we will hit the command, it will start ng serve and then it will start the project, but and it will load the file on some port number 4200. So how they will predict that port number is 4200? With the help of the angular.json file. Okay, next, so on that port it will run the application, but how the page will get loaded and which page will get loaded, that we will look. Let me check that anything is available inside this project. What is written here? Something is written. Okay, fine. Dashboard. Okay. Then component.css admin color something. Okay. Trap is there. Yeah. Let it to be load. That will load back inside. Okay. So what is the bootstrap? That is known as the bootstrapping. Bootstrapping means booting the process, means triggering. So bootstrap, and don't think that bootstrap which we are discussing, which we had learned, that CSS purpose, the styling one, that is not. So bootstrapping is a technique of initializing or loading our Angular application. Let's walk through the code creates Angular application. So once you will create the code, you will see the some few files. Okay, once you will load the application, you will get something on your page. It get loaded or not? Let me check how much completed. Oh my god, still it not. Okay, so as you hitting the command ng serve, what happened? There is one file index.html. It will load first. Okay, after that all the third party application, means all the third party library, like whatever libraries were there, we don't know, that's why I will not discuss those things. Third party, whatever third party library was there, so that will get load. After that, main thing, yesterday we had told in the Java application, who is the main means entry point when we are running the Java application, or maybe in the Python. So who is the entry point? So main method is the entry point. Correct. So main method is the entry point. As like that in the Angular also, main.ts. TS means a TypeScript. Okay. So main.ts file is the entry point. After that, root some modules will get loaded, then component, then some template. So first I will look over the index.html. Don't be confused regarding these all files. Okay. Whatever file we have to use, just take care those. That's it. So on index.html, you will get only app root. Something is there. This is look like HTML tag, but actually this is not the HTML tag, because in HTML, okay, my application get loaded. Now let me load that application first. So just press Control button and put the cursor over here and click. It will get old means automatic, it will open in the browser. Otherwise you can hit that command also, means URL. Okay, so what means now we getting admin dashboard, some buttons are there. From where this is coming? So this is coming from the app component.html. This file, app component.html. Now the question came, how they decided that it have to load this first, this page first. App component.html, it have to load. See this name, app.component.html, means this is for the HTML purpose. Okay, and this app component.css, this is for the CSS purpose. Whatever you want, you can write the CSS. And app component.app.component.ts, this is for the JavaScript purpose. Here we will write the JavaScript code. Okay, so my question was that how they decided that we have to load app component.html file itself. Why not this index.html file? And whether index.html also get loaded or not? That is my question. So do one thing. We don't know whether it's loaded or not. So write one command here, just means something. Index page. Okay, and save. And let's see. Okay, maybe you thinking that it not get loaded. Fine. Let's say reload and take care on the UI. Had you got a index.html page? Means first index page is coming. After that you getting these all things, admin dashboard. Just take care of the reloading time itself, means starting. Who is coming first, whether index or admin? Who came first?
Index.
Index.
Index is coming first. After that only admin dashboard is coming. Now look over the source code. View page source. What code you getting here? I not one
Index.
dependency and this that. Just look inside the body section. What you getting? Inside body h1 is there and app root is there. Correct? So now look over the our code. What is written there in our index page? Index is there. Index page is written and then app root is written. Now do one thing. Comment this page, this section, app root. And don't save now. Yeah, now save, because as you will save, see this, as you will save, this compiler will get automatic reload. Okay, you not have to load this compiler, it will get automatic. See this, I saving the file. See the compilation process started generating bundle something and then it loaded. Okay, so now I commented that index page. Then what happened? We getting just only heading index page. What about the admin dashboard? It got commented. Means it is sure that that admin page was coming with the help of this one. Correct. But I don't, means we have not idea how that coming, how they hit that page. That's fine. Now my question is that, so first page had loaded first. Now you had seen that two page, index page and some app root is there. So which one is loading first? Index.html or app root? Just for right now, app root is written, that consider that as a separate page, app root page itself. Okay, so which page is loading first? Index page, index.html or app root page? Which one?
Index page, sir.
Index.html.
Index.html is loading first and after that this app root. Correct. Means
Because of line by line execution.
yeah, so line by line execution. Okay, fine. Who is loading first? Where is line by line execution?
Sir, index.
Index itself now also loading first. Correct? Because
Yes,
that blinking for few seconds and after that it gone. It's not here line by line execution, but yeah, line by line means ordering. App root be kept on the first, so admin dashboard is coming on the top, then index page is coming, line by line be getting the position. But here execution is not like that. That's okay, no issue. But what is going here, when we are reloading the page, just 1 second. Yeah, so what we had told regarding the Angular, what type of application Angular is?
Single page.
Single page application, SPA. Okay, so if the Angular is SPA, means single page application, suppose that we was working on the HTML side. Okay, we was creating home page, then admin, means suppose that home, contact, gallery, something. What type of application those are? Is that single page or not?
No, sir, it's not single page.
No, because in pictorial diagram previously in the paint we had discussed that what is meaning of the single page application.
Single page are replacing content on the page, sir, only.
Yeah, so it will change the content as per required, it will change the content, but page is only one. Correct? So same thing is happening here, means who is our, means which is our page here, which is our single page,
Index.
only one page, index.html.
Index. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so index.html is our a single page alone, only one page, means on the first time loading our index.html will get load. Okay, and it will be permanently settled. He not going to move, he not going to relocate anywhere, he will be permanently settled, means on your UI in the browser index.html will get load and settle. After that you have to change your content, you not have to change the page. Okay, so how the page will change, and when you hitting the command npm start, what is happening? So let's see. So as you will load the application, okay, your index.html will get loaded first. So whatever content is written here in the pictorial diagram, we had given that. Okay, so here, 1 second, why this zooming? So here we had given inside the HTML index.html app root is written there. So web app need a starting point. Somewhere a starting point should be required. Then only browser will get the data. So that is index.html is usually the first page to load. Let us open the page and file and find out that some content that is written there. No need. We already know that how to open the page. If you have issue, you can check this picture. You will get. So there are no JavaScript file in the index.html, neither you can see any style sheet. The body of the file has only one HTML tag, that is app root. Okay, and that also you can't tell this is HTML tag because this not comes under the HTML tag. Correct. HTML tag is like h1, h2, address, section, those div, those are. So how the Angular app, how do Angular load? To find out, let's build our application. So when you building our application, how to build our application? So we can build for the production. So we can build our application for the production with the help of ng build prod. Okay, but if you want to run our application for the local purpose, local, so you can go with that directly. Which one? ng serve or ng npm start. Okay, so once you building the application, yesterday we had seen the dist folder was creating for the build purpose, and inside that whatever required files or folder is available, it will be get kept there. Okay, so no need, I will not go inside that. Okay, so inside the, so when we hitting the command npm start or npm ng serve, so it will load the index.html. After that, so application get loaded. So when the index.html will load, the Angular core library, third-party libraries are also loaded. Now the Angular needs to locate the entry point. Now the journey of the Angular get started from here, because index.html get loaded in one end. Second side, whatever entry point, it will start searching. So who is the entry point? Which file? So
Index.
no, index.html already get loaded. Now it will start searching entry point. In Java, which method is playing the main role for the entry?
Main method, sir.
Main method. So now it will start searching the main method. Okay, so Angular find out the entry point, the configuration file inside the angular.json. Now look over angular.json. Open the angular dot, what is this? Remove this file. Okay, let it to be angular.json file. Where is that? Where is that? Yeah. So angular.json, and inside the angular.json entry, where is the entry main? Okay, so it will start searching the main method. So this is the main, and from here it will start. So which is the main, means which file will get loaded first, means after index.html, which file will get load? Main.ts. Got it? So it will load, it will go and search in the angular.json, and inside it will search for the main, that green color and red color, that symbol is there. So the main entry under the node project, getting started architecture build option, point towards the main src main.ts. That complete that path is written actually, but main thing is src main.ts. So this become the your file entry. So now we will go inside the main.ts file. From here we can go? No, it will not go. Okay, we will open main.ts file. Means once you done npm start, 1 second, let me open paint. Learn this thing in like a story. You will get completely clear. What step we had done first? ng serve. Next step, where it will go?
Index page.
Okay, load here index.html. Correct. It will load index.html. After this, what it will do?
We load main.
Yeah, no, when we doing ng serve, which file it will search? Angular.json. Correct. It will search for angular.json, and inside angular.json, which, what it will search?
Main.
Main. Correct. So it will search for the main, and after that, where it will go? It will go to main. Means now we are in main.ts. So now look over main.ts file. So where is that main.ts? Yeah. So now we are in main.ts. Once it came in the main.ts, now see some codes are written there. We not have to worry regarding that. We have to worry regarding that bootstrap module. What means bootstrap? Bootstrap means for the initializing, for triggering application. So it will search for the bootstrap module, because first I writing here module. For right now, just keep in mind module and component. Already we had discussed these things, but later we will discuss actually. So first module will get load, and then component is coming in picture. First module, then component. Not that component, then module. No, first module, then component. Okay, keep in this just mind. So inside the main.ts, what it will search? It will search for the bootstrap module. Okay. Now suppose you have to go any hotel. Okay. You know the address of the hotel, but how you will reach there? Means, sorry, you know the name of the hotel, but you have to reach there. How you will reach? Any idea? We know that this is the app module, and here we have to reach, means this is the name of the hotel, but we don't know the path, that how to. Then how you will move?
Search in Google.
Search in Google. Okay, means we will find the path. Is this correct? We will start searching the path to go there. Okay, so for reaching, means inside main.ts it searched bootstrap module, and inside bootstrap module app module is there. Let's go through the code. So app module is there. So we got that this is a hotel. App module is the hotel. Now we have to reach to that hotel. So how we will reach? We want the path. So what we will do? We will click on the app module, and we reached it directly inside the app module folder. But I not want like this. Let it to be. So where is the app module? App module is here. Now see in the imports here something is written import, and in the import some name is already written, the same name. Is this or not? Don't pass there. Got it? App module which is written here, the same thing is available in the line number 4, import statement. So inside import statement you can see that from a statement. So this is the address of that file, app module file. So as like if you have the hotel, so you want the address of the hotel, then only you will reach there. So same type we got the app module, that is the file name, sorry, that is the some name, that is class name, but for right now just ignore, some hotel name or some name is there. So we have to reach there. So how we will go? So it will search, means this app module will search the address where? Inside import statement. Clear? So app module, name of that bootstrap module, inside bootstrap app module is there. So it will search the address inside the import statement. So inside import statement some path is written there. So with the help of this path it will move to the app module class directly. So we don't know. We will go by step here. So it will search app module.ts. So see, app module is there, and this is the class name. And already we had learned in the JavaScript the class. So this is the class, that is app module. Okay. So we reached it via this way, but I not want to reach via this way. We want to directly reach from there, main.ts. I will write here something for just whether we are coming on the same file or different, like that, for identification purpose. Just save. Yeah. So we are in the main.ts. Press Control button and click on the app module, and let's see where you moved. So see that we came down the same file. Correct. So click this. We came on same file, app module. Means we also came via that searching folder on the same location. Means both are same. Now one question is there. If we will remove the app module, sorry, the import statement, whether we will reach there or not? What are you thinking?
No, we will not reach there
No?
because there we have already export, and here we need to import, then only we will reach.
Yeah. So here
If the
see.
way, then only.
Correct. So here we already getting red color warning. Put the cursor, means put the control button as previously be doing. Control and the click the mouse. You can't get anything. Okay. You can't get anything. So for that we have to import that. So we're not going to import it, getting automatic. When you're installing the project, these all setups is pre-built, pre-ready. You not have to worry regarding these all things. So, but where we reached? So inside the main.ts, it searched for the bootstrap module. Inside bootstrap module, it got a app module. So it will focus on the app module. So now with the help of app module, it reached where? In the app module class. Up to there, any issue? So what we had done, we run the command ngserve, correct? And after the running the command ngserve, index.html file get loaded, and after that inside means it starts searching entry point. So it will move in the angular.json file, and in angular.json file it will search for the main method. Inside the main method it got the file name, that is main.ts. Inside main.ts it will search for the bootstrap module. Okay, and inside bootstrap module it got some argument. You can tell like that argument. So what is the name of that? That is app module. So now it will try to move where, which class? That is app module class. Up to here, anyone having any doubt, you can tell. So that is app module.ts. See this file name, app.module.ts. the file name is this. Okay, so app.module.ts. So now we reached in the app.module.ts. So what we was searching in the previous, in the case of app module, in the main.ts, what we was looking in this file, what we was searching, many codes is there, but we was not looking over all code. What we was looking, only one thing. What was that?
App module.
Yeah, app module, not app module, bootstrap module. Inside bootstrap, app module is there. Okay, so we will tell bootstrap module. So we was looking here, bootstrap module means which module is the first loaded, like that we can tell. So where we reached, with the help of app module inside bootstrap module. It is not that always it will be app module, you can change it. Okay, but for right now you can think that app module. But what you will tell, we was searching for the bootstrap module, and with the help of bootstrap module we reached inside app module class. Now inside app module class, again what we will search, we will search for again bootstrap. Okay, but what is this? Previously it was bootstrap, that was module name. What is this actually here? This is a component. Okay, see this, its name itself is written app component. So inside the module, when we moved in the app module.ts, inside the module, what we are searching, we are searching for the bootstrap bootstrap component. Clear? We are looking for bootstrap component, and inside the bootstrap component, what is the name? That is app component. Clear? So inside that we will search for the, we got the app component. Now again same scenario, app component is your hotel. How you have to reach it? Means you have to search the address to reach there. So we will do the same step. App component is here. Means your, don't worry regarding these all things. Right now we will look over just bootstrap. Okay, so inside there again app component is there, means your import statement should be there. So import statement is there, and they have the path, that how to, you can go by that way also, or you can just press control button and press button mouse cursor, you will reach there. So we will do that thing itself. So or otherwise when you putting the cursor, it's showing the complete code itself. See the complete code it's showing, but we don't know whether it's correct or not. So click this, and where we reached on the app component.ts. So this is your app component.ts, and this was the main player of your code, because on your app component.ts, so when we reach inside the app bootstrap component, it is searching for the bootstrap means a component, that is app component. And after this, where it moved, where it gone, it reached, what was the file name? App dot component, component dot ts. And what it getting here? Okay, that we will discuss later. So it reached on the app dot component dot ts. So now we are on the app dot component dot ts page. but still we are in dot. How this file get loaded? From where this content came? Admin dashboard. So this content came from your HTML. Okay, this came from HTML. But where is the HTML? So inside we have to always think regarding the component.ts file, whether app.component or xyz component, anything, but we have to take care regarding the component.ts page. So inside the component.ts, you can see here something is written. What is that? One selector name is there, app root. One template URL is there, that is app component.html, and this is your HTML page. Okay, and this one is the CSS page. So see here, this is your HTML, this is your CSS. Means whatever you getting on that app component.ts, means each component have their own separate HTML and CSS file and JS file. Means the three file, HTML, CSS, and type. You can tell TypeScript, don't read JS. Means HTML file, CSS file, and TS file. Three files, each component have their own. And some globally file is also there. So where is the global HTML file or global CSS file? As I told, app.component.html, app.component.css, and app.component.ts. These three files are relating to one area. Means this all belonging to the app. Fine. So where is the globally HTML and globally CSS file? Because this HTML and CSS belonging to one module, one component.
Index.html.
Style.css, sir.
Yeah, correct. So a style.css is the global CSS. And where is global HTML? Means not a tell global HTML, but which one we can consider as like global HTML?
Index.html.
Index.html.
Correct. So index.html, you can tell that this is your global HTML, and CSS, a style.css, you can tell that this is global CSS.
Sir,
Okay.
where is the JS file, sir? I'm not getting that.
JS file is not there. We are writing on the TypeScript. That's why it is written TS. TS means TypeScript. Okay. You will not get a JS file. And these all JS file are there, but it is different. It's not required. So whatever we doing in the JavaScript, same thing we will write in the TypeScript. Don't worry. Okay. So we got HTML file, .css file, and .ts file. Three things are there. But still we have in dot how this thing came. Admin dashboard. Because index page, what we getting here, that is coming from the index.html. So it coming means we reached on the HTML, means a TS page. So here we got app.component.html. Please mute. So here we got app.component.html and app.component.css. So let's see where these files are available. So app.component.html. So see inside the app folder itself. So as your naming convention, folder name, file name will be also like that. So app folder. So inside that app.root, routing module, app.component, app.component.html, .css means prefix. You can tell prefix is a like folder name itself. Okay, as we will create component, we will see that time. So now come to the app.component.html. So app.component.html, that is available admin dashboard. Means this thing is coming there, but we can't verify that this is coming or not. We can't decide. Let's write something. How we can, means a prediction is not the perfect. COMPONENT. Okay, so be written app component. Let's save and let's see. So what we got? Now we got app component. Means now we are 100% sure that this itself is loading there. And what about a style? Now write some style here. We had written there h1 as like what we was doing in the CSS and those things. Same thing we have to do. Nothing is any extra. H1, we will write here background color. and yellow and save. And now look that server will get load automatic. You will get the output. So now whatever we had done, we added a background color. We added some HTML file. I not want angular.json. Remove this. I want those. Okay, let it to be. So whatever be written here, it get loaded here, and whatever style we want, we added that in the background color. Then what is the need of the global CSS? Let's add something here also in the global CSS. Add text color. But we have to tell on which tag you want. So I want on the all H1 tag. What I want? Color. And I will give a red. And let's save. And now it is black. Just wait. Let it to be reload. Now see, we got app component also red, index dot also red. Why? Can anyone tell me any scenario? What is happening?
Because of it's working globally.
Correct. So this is a globally means wherever H1 will be there. See this H1 on H1 we had apply. So wherever it will get H1, everywhere that will get effective, whatever styles we have. So let's check in index.html. So we had written here H1. So that's why it become that one. Let's remove H1 and pass H2 and then see. Auto is not working. Let's save and see the back side. What we got? App component is coming red because that is H1, but index page is not coming red because that is H2. That's fine. Up to here, I think you got some idea, but still the dot is, what is the dot? Yeah. So dot is that index dot sorry, app component dot HTML had written this thing. App component or something is written, but how the HTML page got that this have to load, or whatever content is available on app component.html that have to load. So who is telling, who is interlinking, who is linking index.html and app component? So now we will go on the index.html page. So we will go on index.html page and let's see what codes are written there. So what is written? So here we getting body section. I know that there is no need of body. That's fine. After that, be getting here app root. Means maybe this app root is playing something. So do one thing, the component which is loading component.ts. So see, always we will look over the component.ts page. That is the main, actually main root you can tell. And after that component.ts itself, it is splitting in all section, HTML, CSS or TypeScript, whatever. But don't worry regarding the HTML file. So we will look over app.component.ts. So let's see, let's check that whatever is written on HTML app root, is this available on the component? Is it available? Verify on the complete page here. Had you got app root is written here or not? Nobody
Yes,
got.
sir. Yes, sir. Approach
Yes, sir, in line or code selected.
Yeah, sir, but
Line.
if you want to add more HTML files, then what will do, sir?
Yeah, we will do that. Don't worry. That will come later. So here we got line number 4. App dash root is written there, but something is written that is selector. Okay, so keep in mind that selector is the main thing who going to select. As like in CSS, what we were doing, selector is
So
there.
selector is contain complete page, sir. It's
Yeah,
work
no.
like a tag.
You can, yeah, like that itself. You can tell that with the help of selector we are targeting. As in CSS, we was doing it. We was using selector, 5
Yes,
type
sir.
of selector. Then in JavaScript, again we were doing document.getElement by ID. Selector was there. So same thing you can tell here also selector. So with the help of selector, it going to target. Okay. So whatever name is written in the selector, same name have to available on the index.html. Then only this file will get loaded. because this loading here and see one thing regarding the position. So the selector, this app root is written on the first line and then h2 is written. So that's why be getting app root content on the first and then be getting the index page on the second line because regarding the position. Whatever you will write, you can write here. Write paragraph tag. Let's save. So see, first we will get app component and then we will get index because where is my index page? Yeah, because the position. Now I will move this and I will pass here. Now see, first we will get index page and then we will get the app component data because the position app root is coming from there. So it's getting that. Okay, that's fine. So what happened here? So on the app.component.ts page, where is that? Yeah. So app.component.ts, the selector is there. So with the help of this selector, it targeting to the HTML. So finally, what happened? Now we got from where the whatever content we had written on the HTML or CSS, how that get loaded on the HTML. So by this way, this is going to work. Means this is the complete internal flow of the Angular project. So what had happened? Let's see that complete journey. So inside app.component.ts, what are the files available? So there was HTML file, then CSS file, and what was there another thing? Selector. Correct. This three thing was available. And inside the selector, what was written? App-root. Correct. App-root was written. Okay, now one dot. If suppose we will change the name, whether it will work or not, what are you thinking? In place of app root, if I writing app roots, whether it will work? Yes,
I
no,
think no, sir.
no. 1 second. There it gone. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's see whether it working or not. I had saved the page. So be getting only index page. So maybe suppose here be written that app roots. So if selector name will be also same, then maybe it will work or not. Because this is targeting from the selector. Correct. So where is the app component.ts? So what we had written app roots. We had added s there. Let's save. Whether it will work or not. What happened? It worked. Means what we had seen that whatever name is written in the selector, same name have to reflect on your HTML page. Clear? It's not compulsory that app root is the main, means always it will be like that. No, but the file should be available there. Means naming convention should be same. One thing you have to take care while running your project. If suppose you will first suppose that here, let me app roots is there. Na? Let me add here is and add here also is. Now what you thinking? Whether this will work or not? If I will not, I will. Which file I have to save first? Which file I have to save first? Index.html or app.component.ts? Which file I have to save first?
App.component.cs.
So first you telling app.component.ts file have to save first. Okay, let's save. What will be the output? Whether we will get output or not? So output is not there. Okay, means now we have to save this index.html. Let's save. Now output is there or not? Yeah, output is there. So what is the main role? What I want to tell here, while saving the file, you have to take care whether sequence will matter. Okay, suppose you had saved the app component.ts file first and you saving the index.html file second, then maybe you will not get the output. So what you can do in that case, you can save that last file one more time if you getting like that issue. So index.html, suppose I had saved last, again do just one control S. Okay, then you will get work. Means maybe suppose sometime it become the issue. Second thing, what you can do, you can reload the project manually. It will work fine. Okay, because due to the sequence of the saving the file, maybe you will got the issue. So now let's move to the conclusion of this one. So what we had done here, first we had run the ngserve, correct? First we had run the ngserve, and while running ngserve, index.html got loaded, correct? After that ngserve, it is searching the main point, main entry point, where inside the angular.json file. Inside angular.json, it will search main.ts. Now it moved to the main.ts. Inside main.ts, it will search bootstrap module. And inside bootstrap module, which one file it will search? It will search bootstrap module, and inside bootstrap module, it will not search, it will got, because that some name is written. So it will get app module. Due to this app module, where it will move? It will move to the app module.ts file. Clear? Inside app module.ts, what is the things it will search? It will again search bootstrap, but now this is not bootstrap module. This time that is bootstrap component. Clear? Now this time bootstrap component. After the bootstrap component, means sorry, inside bootstrap component, what it will search? It will search the component name. How it will go to the component? Via import method. Import is written there. So by that, it will got the address where it have to move. So after the app component, it will go to the app component.ts. Clear? It will go to app component.ts. And in app component.ts, what it will got? It will got selector, HTML and CSS. So whatever you will write on the HTML, whatever you will write on the CSS, everything will be available for this component. Okay, but with the help of app root, it will got load, because app root is available in the HTML file. So whatever content you are writing in the HTML and CSS page, those become the part of the index.html. And this way, ngserve, when we are doing ngserve, 1 second. HTML, CSS and selector. Okay. And here index.html also having that app-root. App-root. And this app-root and here app-root, this both should be matching. It's compulsory, both should have to match. Then only it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. And once this will get matched, okay, so it will load whatever data will be available. Now this become the part of the UI. This is your UI, and whatever is available on index.html, it will be displayed there. Is this clear? This is the complete flow. So internally, when we doing ngserve, first time itself index.html will get load. this file will get load, but in the back side, it's searching the all structure. It's searching the complete flow. Is this clear? This was the thing actually, the complete journey. It's clear for me. Okay. What about others? This was the complete flow, and I not want that you had understand just 10% or 20%. You have to be 100%. If you not got clear, no issue. You can go through that tutorial one more time, video lecture. You will get that idea. I will share you this picture. I think maybe in document, maybe picture will be available. I don't know. So entry point is there. That's fine. Same thing we had discussed. I will not go through this. The complete flow, whatever is written there, we had discussed there. Then here selectors are there, already be seen. Template URL, it will contain your HTML file. Then a style URL, it will contain the CSS file. You can go through that, you will get. And each component having their separate HTML, TS and CSS file. So go through that one time, and this complete picture, I had already pasted this. Okay. So you can get understand completely what are the processes working here. रहने दीजिए अब Samir, we have 5 minutes more. So index.html, then app root is there, then first step main.ts, then bootstrap module, second step, third, fourth. This type the complete flow is going on. Let me take this picture here. Where is my cursor? Okay, so let's stop the recording.